Hi friends, this is Chanpreet Singh. I'm your mentor at schoolofnifty.com, and I'm recording today's video because I get many emails and queries from members asking me how to trade with the help of moving averages, and how you can plan your trade, buy a stock, what you should when you should buy a stock, and how you can take exactly the help of moving averages to plan your trade, when to enter, where to enter. Fine. So friends, this is the chart of Tata Motors, and it's the daily chart of Tata Motors, and the main moving averages which you need to deploy for short term trades or intraday trades is the 20 days moving average and the 50 days moving average. In this video, in this chart which you see, we see the red line is the 20 days moving average and the blue line is the 50 days moving average. So the first and the most important point which you all have to see, guys, is that when you want to go long in a stock, or if you want to buy in stock, or even if you want to buy a call option of a stock, right? Many of the friends, they prefer option trading. They so even for them, even when you ever you want to look you are looking for a buy in a stock, the first thing you have to make sure is that, please take note of this, guys, is that there should be a crossover of 20 days moving average should cross over the 50 days moving average over here. Fine. First, this is the first criteria. Second criteria is that the 50 days moving average should be going upwards. As you see in this stock, from February onwards, this is a Tata Motor stock. You see the moving average is the 50 days moving average is going upward. Now the question is, where do I buy? Fine. So let me teach you. First of all, you see the 20 days moving average is crossing over the 50 days moving average. Fine. And now you see, after the when the crossover occurs, it means now you have to look out the right time to buy this stock. So when the crossover occurs, guys, normally never buy the stock. Don't buy the stock then. Wait for a retracement. Fine. You see, it retraces. It had crossed over here. So if you have bought over here, it came down. So that's the wrong place to buy. You have to wait for retracement. So you see the stock retrace here. It comes down, and while it retraced, you should look whether the stock is finding support at the 20 days moving average or the 50 days moving average. In this video, we see the stock is finding support at the 50 days moving average. Fine. The second thing which you have to look is that, fine, is now is finding support at this region. Plus you have to look at the stochastic. This is slow stochastic. You should see the stochastic is below the 40 levels and in buy mode. So in this video, if we look over at this region, you see the 20 days has crossed the 50 days, but I don't buy here. I wait for a retracement. It has come down over here. Fine. And it has taken support at the 50 days moving average. Fine. After it has taken support and moved, it's clear at this region it has taken support. Fine. Now you see the stochastic is below the 40 days the 40 mark. Yes, it is. And it's in buy mode. Yes, it is. So this is the area where I buy. And see, the stock has went up, and even if I put a stop loss at this region or just below this region, the stop loss never got triggered after March 2014. Fine. Now see, okay, I enter over here. I see where you book out is absolutely what I believe in the funda is that let the stock rise as much as it wants. What I just keep updating my stop loss. So wherever my stop loss updated stop loss, I keep trailing my stop loss. Wherever the stop loss triggers is fine, the trade is closed. But you see, it has given an awesome movement. Is the movement, if we is from 390 levels to around 415 and around 430 levels, with an amazing game, even amazing gain, even for somebody who had bought an option of this Tata Motors. He would have been in amazing profit. Fine. Now over here we see again, let us look at this region. At this region, if we see where it has again come close to the 20 days moving average and 50 days moving average. So if I look at the stochastic at this region, fine, at this region, so it's in buy mode. It came in buy mode over here. Fine. plus now it's below 40 at this region, and it's around it had taken supports. This is the region where I look to buy Tata Motors again. Fine. And again it has went up again, amazing return at this region. If I take look at the returns, is from around 420 levels to somewhere near 450 levels. Now again it has retraced at this down region over here. Now see, at this region it has taken support at the 50 days moving average. Fine. If I look at the stochastic is also in buy mode over here. So this is the area where I buy. Again I buy at this region, which is around 420. Again it has zoomed to 450 level within a matter of few days. Fine. Now again it has retraced at this level, and even again it has taken support the 50 days moving average. So this is the what I wanted to tell you guys is, first thing which you got to look out, I am repeating again, is the 20 days moving average crossing over the 50 days moving average. Don't buy when the crossover occurs, wait for a retracement, and when the retracement occurs, you should look for a bullish signal on the daily charts, which means a bullish engulfing or a bullish harami or whatever a bullish signal which gives you, plus preferably if you do is that the stochastic should be below the 40 region in buy mode. Fine. Now let us look at the chart of Raymond's. Fine. This, my friends, is the chart of Raymond's, daily chart of Raymond's. Now carefully look at the chart. We see the crossover has taken place in this region. Fine. This region, the 20 days moving average has went clearly above the 50 days moving average, plus the 50 days moving average is moving upward. Very important. And so the crossover has occurred over here. This is the region where I don't buy. It went up. I have not bought here, so I'll wait for a retracement. So it has again now retraced. It has at this region, you see. At this region it has taken support at the 50 days moving average, and if I look at the stochastic is below 40 levels, plus is in buy mode. So what I have to do, I can buy it in cash, buy it in futures, or buy the most nearest call option, and this region would have been around 310 levels, and it went up to around 340 levels, right? Within a matter of 1 week or 10 days, which is amazing gains, guys. Right? This is the way you should plan your trades. Now again we see it had retraced over here, which is well over the 20 days moving average. But if I look over here, the stochastic is in below 40 levels and is in buy mode. So this is the area where I can re-enter the stock again, purely based on the stochastic buy mode, and it is taken buy mode. So if I buy over here again, so from 330 levels to 380 levels, amazing buy. So over here now again it has traced down, guys, and over here it has taken it is trying to take support over the 20 days moving average. So I have to look at the stochastic is just dipped below 40 levels and is in buy mode, so I can buy again over here. Now again it has went up. It's an amazing gain. It's a gain from levels of around 360 to a level around 440. So just think, if you knew this thing, what this trade could have done for you. Fine. 20 days moving average crossing of 50 days moving average, plus the 50 days moving average going upwards, and we wait for retracement. So over here it has again went up, and the retracement it has went down. So it has come near the 20 days moving average. Fine. Now when it has come near 20 days moving average, we should look for re-entering the stock only after the confirmation. We can take a confirmation from the stochastic. So if you look at here, the stochastic is well below the 20 level, which is a very oversold region, and we should looking at buy. So it becomes a buy at this region, which is a region of around 405 to 460 within a matter of a few days. Amazing gains, guys. Now let me look at the chart. I'll show you another chart randomly. Let me pick the chart of Crompton Graves. Fine. This is the chart of Crompton Graves, guys, and again the same criteria. the 20 days moving average crossing over the 50 days moving average plus the 50 days moving average going upward. Fine. So this is the area where the golden crossover has occurred, but I am not looking to buy over here. I am waiting for a retracement. So it went up, it went up, went up, went up. Retracement has happened over here. So this is the 20 days moving average, and the now it has retraced near the 20 days moving average. So what I'll do, I'll look at the stochastic. The stochastic is yes, well below 40 levels, my guys. Yes, and it's in buy mode. So this is the area where I look to re-enter the stock or enter the stock for the first time. The region is around 155 156, and it has shot up to around 188. If I have made a good I would have made a very good fortune if I knew this technique, because in futures, if I traded this stock, it would have been an awesome gains. Even if I have bought an option call option of this stock, or even if I had bought a stock for purely investment purpose, fine. It has moved around from 156 to 184 levels, and again it has come down. It has retraced. So it has retraced at what levels, guys? It has retraced near the 20 days moving average. So now I have to look for a buy in this stock. Now what do I wait for? I wait for a confirmation in the stochastic. So the stochastic has come into the buy mode at this region, right? This is the region which are 166. So I buy over here, and what happened? It shooted up to 194 levels. Again, awesome gains. Again the retracement has occurred over here, guys. Fine. Taking support at the nearby around 20 days moving average. The stochastic is in below 40, well below 40, and yes, I buy over here and I shorted up to 180 levels. Amazing. And I hope, guys, you are getting some serious value from this video. It's an amazing way where you can plan your trades, and the software which I am using personally is a Metaphor Trader. I have taken the data feed, and you can use AMI Broker or any. You can even go for free sites. The links which will be displayed in the email which I'll be sending you along with this video. And if I now many of my friends wouldn't be having access to the paid the MetaTrader and stuff. So this is the site where you can go and track the plan your trades for free. The site is chartinc.com. Fine, you press this is the site charting.com, and over here, now suppose I give it I type the chart name for LIC. Randomly I'm picking this stock, guys, so you all should know that this strategy actually works. Now the period is 6 months, is fine. Type is candlestick. Now what I do is that the lower indicators which I want is only the stochastic. Fine. So I'll select only the stochastic, and the moving averages which I'll deploy is 20 days simple moving average and the 50 days simple moving average, and I'll update my chart. Fine. Now this is the chart. Fine. This is the chart which is of LIC. So first thing, if I'm looking to buy LIC, first thing which I have to see, this blue line is the 20 days moving average, and this green line is the 50 days moving average. So when this golden crossover occurs, guys, this is the area which I should look, which means the stock is in buy mode. So the golden crossover is taken over at this area, which means I won't be buying the stock. I'll wait for retracement. So the stock had retraced around here, which is near the 20 days moving average, but the stochastic is not very encouraging, so I have skipped my buying over here. I have not bought the stock. It went up, it went up, it went up. I had missed it. Not a problem. I'll stick to my basics. It has retraced over here, guys. Fine, and it has taken support at 20 days moving average clearly. I wait for confirmation on the stochastic, which is just over here. Is at 40 region. The stochastic is below 40, which has given a buy signal in the stochastic. So I buy at here. So when I buy at here, which is the level is 265, it shot up to around 335, which is some serious money, by some serious money in your bank. Fine. And now it has went up, went down, went up. It has though it has retraced over here, which is the 20 days moving average, I won't be buying because the stochastic is not in buy mode. You see the stochastic is going down. Look carefully. Is in buy mode? No, it's in sell mode. So I won't buy over here. Now at this region, it has taken a support just above the 50 days moving average. And if now if I look at the stochastic, yes, it's in buy mode. It's below, well below 40 level. The crossover or the stochastic is also there. So this is the area where I look to buy. The region is around 310, and you see it has went up to around 330 levels, which is again amazing gains, guys. I just hope you all learned this amazing uh, strategy for planning your trades, when to go long, when to buy it in futures, when to buy in a call option. And this is the what we are looking at. I'll repeat it again: 20 days moving average crossing over the 50 days moving average, and the 50 days moving average should be going upwards, and we take a confirmation with the stochastic, which should be below the 40 levels, and it should be in the buy mode. And call this secret strategy which I've showed you guys, Sokhi simple moving average stochastic strategy. Fine. Take care. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye bye.